This is the I Ching's answer. Omen.
At last the problems are gone. It is as if rain has a right to purify everything.
Advice.
Let go of disputes. Life is short. Free yourself from the prison that is your mind. Open yourself to the light. Go where there are friends, whether physically or mentally. If the goal you were chasing escapes, it is better to turn back. If there is something pending, resolve it quickly.
Symbol.
A prisoner is freed, and immediately grass and trees grow abundantly.
The image.
You walk through a Chinese temple, and at the entrance, a monk offers you a book titled To Life, while pointing inside the courtyard. You walk in and see a statue of a man mounted on a cloud with a rabbit on his shoulder. The man looks at a sword buried in the ground and a rooster perched on it. The book signifies that you'll be able to give advice to someone who needs it. The book's title means that the idea you have is the correct one. The monk pointing indicates that you have been or will be shown the path to paradise. The man on the cloud symbolizes a rise in your social position. The rabbit represents certainty. The buried sword signifies the fight is over, and the rooster atop it means your voice will be heard far and wide.
Exit and folly. G. Release. Dissolve. This is an hexagram of December. Favorable in summer. Unfavorable in autumn and winter. The predominant stage.
Forgiving and letting go on conflict. Buddha mentioned this as the path to paradise. The subject must dissolve what causes difficulties, such as a bad habit, an unfit leader, or a family dispute. Arguing takes the difficult path. Seek the easier one. To life, this is the right direction. Forgiveness for errors and wrongdoings comes like refreshing rain. A prisoner is freed. Difficulties disappear. Going south means heading to friends or family to recover. It also means to an easy path. If there is still something to do, go and do it quickly. The subject rests when there is no crisis, but acts swiftly when one arises. For instance, firefighters, paramedics, etc.
Heavens will always send help when you need it. You can also help us. Please like and subscribe. The mobile or mutable lines for your hexagrams video is right below on the description. The complete list and table of hexagrams is also in the description. Next, interpretations related to love, laboral development, inner development, and social networks. About love.
If asking about your relationship, let go of all the negativity. Reconcile and forgive each other. If your partner mistreats, threatens, or psychologically abuses you, or if you have already decided to leave them, it is time to let go. If you are the one who caused harm, stop. Whether you were unfaithful or toxic, end your behavior. Forget and forgive everything. Return to your relationship. Letting go of the bad sometimes means letting go of the person. If you have done wrong, stop doing it.
About work and business.
Cut the problem at its root or dissolve it. If asking about the type of issue, it relates to flow or interruption in it. If asking about the cause and suspecting a person, remove them to restore the flow. If you are the one who caused the issue, fix it quickly. Don't give something like a plague an opportunity. Act at the first sign of trouble. If someone is causing conflict, they must be removed. Forgiveness is one thing. Allowing them to remain in charge is another. If there is no crisis, work as normal. If there is, resolve it immediately. The flow is disrupted. Find a way to repair it.
About personal development.
The work you do has a purpose, life itself. When you can derive feedback or satisfaction from your efforts, it is bad fortune. Correct what is wrong. Each of us has bad instincts. When triggered, they take control. These must be eliminated. Rest while nurturing virtue or chi during times of calm. If a crisis arises, resolve it early. If something distracts you, remove or eliminate it. Remember, to life.
Networks and social media.
You have an opportunity to be heard everywhere. If you cannot block the flow, if the block is a person, remove them. But don't be harsh. Dissolve the issue. This hexagram has good affinity, or chi, for content related to flow, including traffic, logistics, aqueducts, communication channels, transmission systems, mediation, energy channeling, and preventive agents. People will hear you from far away. If there is a blockage, remove it. If it is a person, remove them too. If there is no crisis, stay with your community and focus on what matters. If there is, resolve it quickly. Forgive offenses. Remember, to life.
Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share.
It is time to leave behind that torturous place you've lived in for so long. You can go anywhere. You are free.